Hello friends, today we learn how to download Windows 10 21H1 May 2021 ISO. Friends, I am Bhupen Khilani and my channel is Tech with Guruji. First open Google Chrome browser. If not installed, download from the given URL. Let's open Google Chrome. Once open, we need to choose developer option. For it, press F12 button or key. I am pressing F12 key. Developer option get started. We have to select Pixel or Galaxy device. As you can see, here is a list of devices. You can pick any device. I have selected Galaxy X5. Need to type Windows 10 ISO URL Microsoft.com English US software download / Windows 10 ISO. I am typing. Windows 10 ISO page get open. We can close right panel. Now some questions are asked. Follow them. Asking for edition, select Windows 10 May 2021 update. Press confirm. Next, product language. In my case it is English International. You can choose as per your need. It is showing list of options. I need English. Press confirm. Now asking for 32-bit or 64-bit. I am using 64-bit machine. So clicking on 64-bit download. Download get started. It is around 5.4 GB. In next video I will cover how to create Windows 10 21H1 bootable pen drive.